Good morning all. It's Hilton Joseph again. Thank you for welcome to the video. Today is Sunday, the obviously 19th of the 1st, 2025, which is Sunday in UK time. Currently it's 7:06 in the morning. Usually I do it over an evening, but I think Sundays is more easier for me to do early in the morning. Better to get the analysis done straight away, and then even I can crack on. If what's going on, the market opens about 10 or 9 p.m. in UK time. Well, I hope everyone's having a good weekend so far. You still got one more day until the next working day. Oh gosh. But yeah, hope everyone's cracking. Hope everyone have a good day, and let's push on. So I've got here the Forex Factory. We've got the calendar. Invite. We've got Monday the 20th, Monday the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and the 24th. As you can see, there's a lot of pressure this week as well. A lot of high volume markets coming in play. So look out for your charts or whatever your analysis are on. So we've got the China's, we've got the GP, we've got the Euro, we've got the CAD, we've got the New Zealand, we've got the Yen, and then also the dollar. But that's all for this week. So hopefully the pairs that you're in then correlates for you in your favour. So that is all the news for me. So obviously I am looking out for the Tuesdays. I'm also looking out for the Thursday, and I'm also looking out for on a Friday as well. So let's minimize that and let's get back to the chart. So as we left off on Friday, we had a close of this look like also an imbalance candle here. So basically nearly off another doji, prices pulled up, and then price was down and then pulled up, and it's trying to range during the middle. So that means basically it's imbalance for the week. So what that's telling me is that that the buyers are in control. Buyers have been trying to push the price to push up, while the sellers are still saying no, we still want to be in this price, we still want to go down and downtrend. So if we take a look on the daily, we can see here the price here from Monday did form a pin bar to perform a push up to my what was called now. So early in the morning, that's not early for me. To form a formation on a 4-hourly candle, which was a drop formation. You can see the wick is entered in here as well for the price when I was going to explain to you on Friday. The entry price is now continuing to push down here. From the pin bar, from another doji candle, the gravestone candle, and then pushing from a nice engulfing candle towards the downside. So again, we're still aiming for the 1.200. So if I go to the 4-hourly now, as you can see, both EMAs, my 21 and 8 is going, but again, still continuing downwards. As we'll reference earlier on the daily chart, that obviously my drop formation was entered here, and we're still prices falling here as we're looking for the price to continue to the 1.21 region, 2100 region. As I see here, if I just there we go. As you can see here, I'm still in this trade. I'm still currently looking for I'm going for what's my 3-to-1 here. I'm still looking for the price to be filled on this. I'm not looking to re-enter on a smaller time frame. I'll carry on from here. Usually I do is I enter the trade twice, so I'll put 2 trades on. Obviously I'm currently risking about 3%, so it's not too bad. As a swing, it's going to take a bit of time. Obviously, you can do a couple of days, a couple of weeks, even sometimes a couple of months, depending on how, if you're invested in a couple of months, then that's more of a positional trader. But yeah, as you can see, it's still currently going for the downtrend. We currently see how it happens to news. If it fills, that's great. And once it fills, I'm going to look for new entries. So I've got you back. So I've got a solution. Well, not a solution. A possible entry. So if the price does break here, does a pullback, I can enter off the previous low pullback formation. That allows me to sell just like how this formation was, and just like here. If I'm looking to enter into another trade, sorry about this. One thing as well, you might ask me, why don't you just pay for TradingView? Okay, so it works out to, I don't know how much it is in US, but it works out for me. It goes from when I first started on the TradingView, it was £9.95 a month, and I was for ages and ages and ages. I'm telling you, from 2015. It was like that for ages until 2017, 18. Obviously, it increased a little bit, which wasn't bad. It was probably, I think it was like 10 or 11, one of the two. And then after COVID, the prices increased, fluctuated high, and then which was going to £15, £14.95, which is for me is not bad at all. But when the crunching point was, I think it was last year, we was doing. Well, was it last year? No, it wasn't. Probably a year before when I just got this house. So I've been in this house for 2 years. So it probably, yeah, back then. So we were 25, so 23. And the price went from £15 to like £19. And I was like, well, for what? For the standard view. And then for the full package and everything, if I wanted to, it was like, you can do 40 quid. And then if not, if you want everything, and I mean absolutely everything, without obviously you get an attachment added on the bottom for the time frames or whatever, it's about 90 quid. And I was like, I understand the investment terms, I understand it's the price and the money, that's not a problem. But for charging this so much for this trading view, I just thought, wait a second, let's use my brain. And like anyone does, everyone should do. Think smart, not work hard. Well, you should work hard, but obviously use your brain at the same time. It's okay. Open my email address. Obviously continue as paid, and then get every single tabs I need. So, for instance, it asks you how many charts you want. You can make up to like 5 or 10. You can make up to 10, I believe, on the pay version, where you have like you can do. I've got major pairs here. I can do. I've got more. I've got zones. I've got order flow. You can add more. What's called another layouts. And then in the layouts, you can just add the other pairs that you need. So I'll just show you for this brief this. And you can add pairs just like this. You can add all pairs you want. You can add the pairs that you're focusing on. You can just add whatever pairs you're thinking of, right? Your currency, your stocks, whatever. Add it all there. Once that's done, cancel your subscription. Once that's cancelled past that date, you're thinking, oh, everything's going to go. No, not everything is going to go. If you have your certain indicators on, to say like you had like 4 or 5, probably only with the free version only allows you 2. But if you really have 3 or 5, it sometimes will come out yellow on the corner of warning, but 9 times out of 10 it still continue working. If it doesn't, then they probably clock the system, so you just got to remove the 2, which unfortunately you don't need anymore. But that's what I did. I literally did that, and since then, nothing. I can continue to go on other bits, everything, because of I already done it on a paid version already. That's why. Or if you've got a free version, your brand new email address, put everything you can, what you need and everything, and then cancel straight up and go from there. Because of if you download MetaTrader, obviously, yes, I know the platform's not that, but it is great. But obviously, with the chart workout layouts, it's not that great because by the time you go back on the chart, it doesn't automatically save it. So yes, TradingView does work on advantages as well, right there. There's other trading platforms out there to help you just with trades, but just for me, when I got introduced to TradingView, it was like probably one of the best out there. But probably because we have different versions, different perspectives of. Oh no, I prefer this one, which is all fine with me. Or it's any day, whatever works with you, well. So yeah, let's get back to it. Yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, so we'll continue the price down. I do see this as a base. Let's see, no drop, base, rally. I do see the formation because it's the form the three engulfing candles here. So the three engulf push up. So the three cows. I do believe obviously when the price is push up to entry for us, obviously continue to set down momentum. I do see here this here is my formation to next be enter in my what's good my new foundation for the entry for that to continue the price to push down to give me another second confidence of the price continuing going down. And let's go back to the daily and let's just remove this. I don't need this no more. That's basically it. Like I said to you, we only continue going with this what's called with pound dollar on this what's called on this also YouTube. It might change, but for a year I want a consistency to show that the back testing. If you guys want to be with me from beginning of January all the way to December, obviously 4 days a week on this pair on videos, and yeah, we'll see how this pair goes for us for the end of the year. Like I said at the beginning, just start off one sharp. Use if you are using the pay version of TradingView, or you got a free 30 days that they do. Use the replay, back test, everything. I'll say use the 1 minute time frame. It helps you. Why I say 1 minute time frame, the back test is at least then if you correlate your information on the 1 minute time frame because it's so lucrative and quick. You can test it and everything, and then once that's done, you could then back test again on a hourly or weekly or monthly, daily, however. Either way, because of the time frames are not all the same, when you're back testing, it's pretty much is the same because when you're back testing on a minute and you're trying to do it on a monthly, obviously for that minute he has to do for 30 days, and obviously for 30 days there's one candle for 1 month. But so the purposes is that there's not many candles on a monthly when you're going back for the historical data. So that's why I say use the minute, because then if you're using, I don't know, your supply, supports, resistance, sell over your fib, your Hermione, your ABC entry, trend line break, so forth, so forth. Just price action intake, yeah, stuff like that. To help you in with the trade, then yeah, back testing is key. At least then you got all the historical data written down and to help you out. Alright, I think that is all I'm gonna say today in this video. I wish you all the best, and thank you for joining me this morning, and hope you all have a good day. To boys and girls, peace.